Julie, it's Craig. Hey, just want to give you a quick overview of the Results Plus TV Media Center site and introduce you to the tools that you'll see on the site that you can use for editing content. For starters, you're going to need a login to the site, and I took the one that you had registered with and I reclaimed it and used it to give you a editor ID so you can make changes to content. So you're going to log into the site. Login's at the bottom of the page here, and you can click on this, and then you'll see a form that allows you to enter your user ID and password. So your user ID is going to be your email address, and the password's in the email I'm sending you. And then when you log in, you're going to start seeing some tools show up on the screen. So I'm going to just introduce you to these tools now. There is Edit, New Subpage, and then you'll see at the bottom you'll see some additional options here, Pilot, Help, My Account, that appeared after you logged in. And if you're on an interior page on the site, you'll see an additional tool called Duplicate This Page. Okay, and then there may be some other options depending on the type of thing we're creating, but right now I just want to focus on creating some basic content and showing you how those tools work. So for starters, if you want to create a new page on the site, you can use the new subpage option, and what this will do is it'll create a new page inside the page you are on. Okay, so if I'm on the home page and I click new subpage, it'll create a child page to home. If I'm on conference notes and I click new subpage, it'll create a subpage under conference notes. Alright, now this navigation here will be, it won't look real hierarchical, but actually these 4 pages are currently inside home. Alright, so I'm going to create just a new subpage under home, and I'm going to call it testing. And this is a place where you'll be able to create and edit content and sort of work out the kinks. So when you click on new subpage, you get a form that pops up that allows you to enter content. Okay, and there's lots of things you can do here, but we're going to start with some simple things. So I'm going to create a new page called testing, and if I do nothing else other than save this, I'll have a new page on the site. Okay, so when the screen refreshes here, you'll see that it's added a new tab. Page is called testing, and I can still edit this page. Okay, I can navigate around the site and do things. I don't have to think about how to get the tab up here on the screen. It is there automatically for me. Okay, so but once I'm on the testing page, then I can go back and edit it. Alright, so I can edit any page on the site using the same tool, and when you click edit, what will happen is that the whole page will sort of low light, which is going to put you in what we call inspect mode. Okay, and in inspect mode, it allows you to hover over the various parts of the page. Okay, now if I want to just edit the page, I can just click on the edit this page link, but if there was text and pictures and stuff in this page, I could click on those individual parts as well. So I'm going to click on edit this page, and I'm going to just put some simple content in here to start, just to familiarize you with some of the basics here. So by default, we're putting one chunk of HTML in each page, and again, there's different ways to configure this for your site, but I'm going to open up another browser window here and go grab some fake content real quick. So I'm going to put in this one paragraph of text. So I'm going to copy it to my clipboard, and I'm just going to paste it in here. Okay, so once it's in there, I've got my content, and if I click save, that content will show up on my page. Alright, so now I've got a page with some content, and I can come back and edit this anytime. So again, if I come back and click edit, go into inspect mode, hover over content. Now I can hover over the HTML part even. If I click on that one part, it'll open up the editor and put me on that one specific part where I can then make changes. So say I want to highlight this text, make it bold, save it, and there's my change. Okay, I'm out of time for now, but I'll get you going on the next tool in the next